Oh, I'm an island boy, just trying to make it. Oh, I'm an island boy, I'm a just island boy. I'ma get key wine. You gon' wanna keep that gun. I'ma be staring at the sun, just staring at the sun.
Jamaica me come from, yeah me glad. Big up all my friend them from Trinidad, Barbados and Lucia, wave a flag. We are a God bless people. Make me tell them all the struggles them we facing on the island. Rocks doing us we dive on, and even doing nothing no sweeter than for grow up on the island. We still have we frustrations. I am an island boy, grew up in the islands. We go to the beach on the weekends, feel my toes in the sun. Sunday morning wake up, callaloo and dumpling. I can't sell fish, some more I fry in the pan. No make them tell you nothing, nothing no sweeter than when mommy cook the pot of mutton. If me not get enough, you know see I be in trouble. And mommy say I glutton, cause me come back for double. I saw it go when you an island boy,
just trying to make it. Oh, I'm an island boy, I'm a just island boy. I'm an island boy, just trying to make it. Oh, I'm an island boy, I'm a just island boy.
This is my story, growing up in the island, the community growing. Make sure when you pass the elder you say morning, unless you prepare for go home with a ballin'. There is no stalling, when them send you go and shop you better fly like darling. Run come back before the evening dawning. Don't make your mother send your little sister say call him. No, we ain't a fool. Daddy struggle make the money take it send we go school. Whether him drive taxi or him ride a mule, him a go do what him fi do fi make the thing run smooth. Growing up in the island, can't wait for grow big so me can go buy my van. Buy a house on the hill, make mama proud of her one son. Me pray before she dead she live to see her grandson. This is the island glory. No matter where you come from, we share the same story. Whether you come from St. Vincent or you come from Haiti, oh God bless, no man can hate we. So I'm thanking God for the times that we had and the moments we share. This beautiful place that we call home, the sound of water running through the stones. I wouldn't trade this for nothing else. The sound of the trees make my heart melt. This place make me who I am. So when they ask me, I say I'm an island boy, just trying to make it. Oh, I'm an island boy, I'm a just island boy.
I'm an island boy, just trying to make it. Oh, I'm an island boy, I'm a just island boy.